Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So today I'm here with you with another pro tip. So today's pro tip is about the fire getting packed down. You want to lift the fire off the bottom of your air grate in your forge. Now, I want you to listen to this when I'm cranking here, and I want you to listen to the difference when I open up the air grate and I'm able to get the the mass of the fire off from that resting position on that air grate down below. So that right there, you can see not a lot going on right here, but you can hear the blower kind of struggling. So let's go ahead and shift this up just a little bit. We're going to take our spearhead poker here, little fire poker for the fire tool. We're going to shove it all the way down to the air grate, and we're just going to pry up as we crank. And I want you to listen to the difference. So now hopefully you can hear the difference. There was a lot more airflow coming up through the fire pot, and that is what we want for a good hot fire without over oxygenating our steel. You want to have the coke, and you want to make a really nicely tight nested fire pot whenever you're doing forge welding and things like that. But you still need to be able to keep it up off the air grate so that air can come up through there. And actually be able to heat up the fire pot itself, or the fire box, all the material that's in the fire box, for a good clean burn. So that's it for today. Hopefully this helps you. Hope to do some more pro tips around the coal forge to help you along in your journey of blacksmithing. If you liked it, give it that thumbs up. If you disliked it, thumbs down is always an option. Ring the little bell for notifications if you are subscribed. If you haven't, definitely want to subscribe. I put out new videos each and every day. Again, as always, God bless you, and we will catch you on the next one.